let me introduce to you our next performer for today. Radiating elegance with every step and shimmering in her royal pink aura. She is here to enchant the stage at Baguio Country Club. She is not only a talented cosplayer and dance cover performer but also a rising star in the idol scene. Her performances exude poise, charm, and kind of joy that leaves audiences mesmerized with a growing online presence. 22,000 TikTok followers and over 2,000 or 2.6 million likes. She has captured hearts of fans with her cosplay, transformation videos, and enchanting dance covers. So, please help me welcome na may kasamang palakpakan, Miss Raina Haruna!
You may the kiss me. Number one, you may the kiss me. Ano ba yun? Yeah. Warm.
You make it kiss me, so don't kiss me.
Hi! Ay, walang energy. Hello! Hep, hep! Hooray! Yun naman pala eh. So let me just introduce myself. My name is Reina Haruna. You can call me Reina. And I am a proud member of the Love Live Superstar cover group, Hashizora. And today, I'm making my debut as a solo idol because in Hoshizora, we really embrace our own individuality. Yes. Okay, so for my next song, who is familiar with NMB48, AKB48? Anyone? 48G, yes. So my next song will be Waruki.
そのバグなんだか重くてそう誰かに持ってほしかっただからちょっと頭を絞ってハートを吸ってみた甘いため息と月やりと見ておねだりするの悪気理由にこそは知ってるよどれくらいがたいの女の子には興味津々してみてみたいのよどんな感じなのかワクワクしてるわじわりとキュンって少しだねこれを持って髪をできれでなだれ倒すように反応を見るわ悪気君と触らせてよどれくらいがたいの女の子に興味津々試してみてみたいのよどんな感じなのワクワクしてるわずんぐりとくるく探しだね全部持って
Thank you. Oh my goodness. So, I would also like to thank Waifu PH for inviting us here to perform. The staff are really accommodating and I'm really enjoying my stay here so far. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity. Okay. So my next song is another song by AKB48. Okay, let me give me a break because this choreo is very energetic. So this is called Ogo and Diamond.
「僕は君に伝え
Nakakapagod yun ah. So, who is familiar with Oshinaka? Yan ang dami. Okay, so for my next song, I'll be dancing Starty Rain. Yay! Okay. So, sino dito ang mga ML loves? ML48 fans? Okay. So, ngayon, mag-onigiri-onigiri tayo ah. Because my next song will be Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie! Sena! Onigiri! Onigiri! Onigiri!
gentlemen. Yon. Kamusta, Raina? Kamusta ang 3-day stay?
I'm very excited and nervous at the same time.
Why? Why? Nervous?
I don't know. For me, it's a normal feeling whenever I perform, but seeing the crowd's participation, my nervousness turned into happiness.
Wow naman. Batiin mo naman yung mga fans mo na nanonood dito ngayon, tsaka yung mga online na viewers natin.
Hello, everyone. So, thank you so much for supporting my debut stage as an idol. I hope you support me in my upcoming events. Also, please follow my Facebook, Reina Haruna. Reina tapos Haruna. Yun lang po.
Yan. So, Reina, I've heard that you are a fan of AKB48.
Yes.
Since when? Since when?
I've been a fan since 2023.
So, kabisado mo ba halos lahat ng songs nila?
I know a lot ng choreography.
The choreography?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know any other trivias about AKB48 in general?
Oh, okay.
Oh. Kasi yan ang gagawin natin yan. Na-interview ka na ng Friday and Saturday. So, ibahin natin, lagyan natin ng twist. So, mag-a-ask ako sa'yo ng 3 questions about AKB48 and you will answer it.
Okay, okay.
Dito natin matetest yung knowledge niya about AKB48. Ready ka na ba, Raina?
Yes.
Yan. Ready na ba kayo? Yan. So, dito natin matetest yung knowledge. So, we have first question here. So, kanina, kinanta mo yung Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie, di ba? So, there was a Japanese version is Koizuru Fortune Cookie. So, the question is, the single Koizuru Fortune Cookie, which was released in 2013, features which member as the center?
Sashi Hararino.
Wow! Ang galing! Tama! Tama. So, for the context, after winning the 2013 Senbatsu General Election, Sashihara became the center for Koizuru Fortune Cookie. The upbeat disco-inspired song became a nationwide that's Japan, dance craze with companies, schools, and fans making their own dance videos. Wow, ang galing. O, ito. Medyo pahirapan natin. Ay, pahirapan. So, ito. Another question. What was the title of the song that AKB48 performed at the movie called Wreck-It Ralph?
Sugar Rush?
Wow, alam din niya. Ang galing. Sugar Rush is correct. So Sugar Rush was sung by the unit AKB48 subgroup Sugar Rush team, which included members like Watanabe Mayu, Kashiwagi Yuki, and others. Meron din siyang English version actually. So there's a Japanese version. The English version was used for the movie Wreck-It Ralph 1. Wow. So ito, medyo hirapan pa natin. Do you know the anime title called AKB0048?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you know you have watched that. Or,
I haven't.
You haven't, but you know the songs that were used.
Yes.
Okay.
I
So
think-
this is my question. Which AKB48 song was used as the theme for the anime AKB0048?
I'm gonna take a guess.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Napaisip siya bigla.
Ay Takata.
Ay Takata is wrong.
Oh
You can still
God.
try. I'll give you 2 tries
Oh
pa.
my God. Ay Takata? Ala. AKB0048.
Wow, pwede kang humingi ng tulong sa ating mga fans.
Na si Ate Yumi lang nakakaalam nun.
So, any guess? Any guess?
AKB0048.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pass. The title is Kibo no Tsuite. Yes.
God.
So that was performed by No Name, a special unit formed by members who also voice characters in AKB0048. The anime was a futuristic sci-fi story inspired by AKB48's concept of idols you can meet. Okay. So ito last question na to para medyo makapagpahinga ka na. Ito medyo madali lang to. Who was the center for the legendary single Heavy Rotation that was released 2010?
Oshima Yuko.
Oh, Oshina Yuko is correct. So ito for the context, Yuko Oshina won the 2010 general election beating Atsuko Maeda and earned the center spots. Her cheerful personality perfectly matched the song image, and the music video remains one of the AKB48's most popular. Wow. So speaking of AKB48, do you have your top 5 songs from
Oh,
AKB48?
top 5.
Yes.
Okay.
From 5 to 1. So if you will rate it, ano yung top 5 mo and ano yung top 1 mo?
Okay. Number 5, I have to say River. Number 4, Temo Demo no Namida. Number 3, it would have to be Hartagata Virus. Number 2, it would be Yobisute Fantasy.
Yes.
And by number 1 would be Oogoe Diamond.
Wow, great choice of songs to be honest. So nasa playlist mo ba yan lahat?
Yes.
Wow. So yung playlist mo ba, it composed of all AKB48 songs?
Yes, all singles, all B-sides, the theater songs.
The
of-
theater songs as well. Do you have also songs from the MNL48, our very own?
Oh yes, I really love Igay ni Mango, Gingham Check, and First Rabbit.
Yeah. Sino yung Oshi mo? Sa
MNL48?
MNL48, yes.
Oh, my Kami Oshi is Sela.
Sino?
Sela.
Oh, Seta. Nice, nice. So ito na lang, last. So could you say any thanks to your fans, to the supporters who went here just to see you perform here on the stage? The floor is yours.
Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my debut stage as an idol. I hope you guys support me in my upcoming events. And yeah, please follow Hoshizora's Facebook page and my Facebook, Reina Haruna. Thank you very much.
Yun, all right. Raina Haruna, any last words from our fans? Anong masasabi mo sa mga fans natin ang nandito?
Ano po,
Mag-thank you ka lang. Mag-thank you ka lang. Do you want to say thank you to them? Kasi pumunta sila dito just to show their support to see you.
ayan, thank you po sa mga cheers niya.
Oo, yun. Yes. Any word of advice as an idol, as a performer, para dun sa mga aspiring ones na gustong mag-perform sa stage, maliit man yan o malaki, ano yung magiging word of advice mo sa kanila?
Ano lang po, kapalan yung mukha niyo.
Kapalan ng... Yes! Agree! Kapalan ng mukha. Gano'ng kakapal?
Makapal na makapal.
Oh. Ito, last question. If you will describe Raina Haruna in 5 words, ano yon?
Oh, energetic, very passionate, very girly, very friendly,
Yes.
and syempre very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Ayun, agree tayo doon. Agree ba kayo doon? Yes, she's very beautiful, right? So yun. Again, Raina Haruna, thank you so much for the performance. I hope you enjoy your staying here at Waifu Fest 2025. And I believe magpe-perform ka din mamaya, right?
Yes po, we at Hoshizora are going to perform later, so please catch us.
Yan. Again, thank you so much, Raina Haruna. Palakpakan naman dyan. Yan.